can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
What's going on? Daryl Eklund, Motocross Action Magazine. We're out here at Glen Helen a couple days after the National for the 2017 KTM 250 SX introduction. This bike is all new from the ground up. This is the chassis that the 125 got last year. They have the air forks that are off the factory edition, although they're 1 millimeter tapered down from the bottom clamp down for better mid-stroke. So the all-new engine, it's made to reduce vibration a lot, as the 2015 and 14 model vibrated your hands to death. So this model is really focused to smooth that out, as long as the engine is longer and also tilted forward for mass centralization. The updates for the 2017 KTM 250 SX is pretty much endless. Everything is new from head to toe, like I said. So we're gonna have our chief test rider, Dennis Stapleton, get on the bike, do some laps, get comfortable on it, get some settings, and he's gonna come back to you with this feedback.
Overall, I got the first few laps out of the way today here at Glen Helen. Bike's really easy to start, which is a must for a two-stroke. Vibration feels down from previous years. Jetting seems pretty spot on. Rips up the hills. No one ever complains about KTM brakes. Typical awesome brakes down the hills. The new air fork is real compliant with the shock, works real well. Seems pretty balanced. Made a few adjustments. Pretty noticeable with a few minor things I did. For the first day of testing, we can only get so much done. So we're playing with gearing, jetting, suspension settings. We're gonna be putting this bike through its paces through the whole year. You can check out more information online or read the September issue of Motocross Action Magazine.